Today we are going to discuss how we can use CRM for a real estate industry. So before starting the demo, I will explain the modules that what all modules can be used in this scenario. First module is leads. Leads are the raw data when they come to us for the very first time. Then comes the clients. This module is for the prospective customers or the customers who are interested in booking the units. Companies. This module is used in B2B scenario where we can relate companies with our clients. Opportunities. Opportunities are the deals under the clients or the companies. All the stages are being calculated over these modules. Project sites. This is a custom-based module. We have made this module keeping in mind our industry requirement. For now, our company is working on 3 sites, so we have created 3 project sites over here. Now, moving towards the home page, here is the dashboard. We can see the deal pipeline, that is the opportunity. Deal refers to the opportunity. Revenue by closed deals, deal forecast, lead by source, from which source have we got a particular lead. Then comes the my task, meetings, notes, call logs, leads, deals, contacts, and organizations. So you can also create a custom dashboard by clicking on the plus icon. Now let's begin with the leads module. To add a lead, you can click on the plus icon. It will take you to the next page. You can add the details over here. For example, under the business type, we have 2 options. One is corporate or individual. Let's say individual. I'm filling the details, first name, last name. The fields that are marked in red are the mandatory fields. Email, I'll mention my email ID. Inquiry stage, these can be customized keeping in mind the real estate industry type. So for now, we have customized it keeping in mind the real estate industry type. We have the options such as site visit, no-show, create opportunity, site visit feedback, looking for other property, and so on. So let's say site visit scheduled. Broker, if we want to add the details of the broker, country details, then next comes the lead source. You can see we have plenty of options over here. We can also directly integrate the applications with, as we have the third-party applications such as 99 acres, common floors, magic bricks. So we can integrate them with CRM. So on integrating the third-party application with CRM, once the leads are generated over there, they can directly come to the CRM. There is no need to enter the leads manually. Let's say, for example, Facebook ads. Moving towards next, that is lead status, active, project interested in. As our company is recently working on 3 projects, so I'm selecting Alpha. So here we'll select on which of the project site the client is interested in. Remarks, if there is any remarks we can add over here. Next comes the customer budget. We usually ask the customer about their budget. I'm assuming any of the amount now. Next is the project type. Is it residential, commercial, or industry? I'm choosing residential. So our company works in 3 different types of project type. Next comes the properties units. Suppose the client has already visited any of the unit and is interested in a particular unit, so we can associate that unit with the client. Then here we can fill the details, the address details, and if there is any description. So for now, I'll just click on save. So once we will click on save, what will happen is a welcome email will be sent to the lead. Just let me check the email ID. I'll just take it. Start. So the email that has been sent is through the workflow to a particular customer. So here you can say, hi Nupur, thanks for the inquiry regards Nupur plan. So this type of email you will receive on when a new lead is entered. So now you can see that we have also initiated the project site. If any, this just gives us the indication that this is the project site in which a particular customer is interested in. Here we can see alpha. When we will go to the project sites, we can see over here the following details. Just let me go back to the leads. Now, when we have a lead and we think that our client is interested in, so we can just convert a lead into a contact by clicking on this convert option. So while converting a lead into a client, we have the option if we are interested in creating an opportunity at the very moment or we want to create later on. So for now, I am not checking this box. I'll just click on convert. And in this way, you can convert a lead into a client. So once you have converted a lead into a client, you can't see it under the leads module. It will be demolished from the leads. Now, as it has been converted into a contact, that is client. So here you can see a lead has been converted into the clients. So over the left hand side, we have the option of related lists. Here we can see the open activities. Open activities, we are that include call logs, meetings and tasks. Let's say we want to call a customer on 5th of March. I'll just click on plus. I'll mention the date. Suppose the call has to be made till 1. Call purpose, desk, project, demo, negotiation. Let's say it is a project. If you want to add any agenda, you can add. And I'll just click on save. Alright, I missed. So now you can see under the open activities that I have to call regarding the visit. So once the call has been done and I can update the result as requested to call back and I can save that. So once the call will be done on 5th of March, it will move towards the closed activities. So similarly, we can also create for the meetings as well as tasks. Now let's say we want to create the opportunity, that is the deal for a particular client. What we can do is we'll just go to the deals, we can add. We have to add the opportunity name, let it be final deal. In progress, default, and click on save. Now let's go to the opportunity. I'll just click on edit. So here we have different fields that are required to be filled. Unit status blocked. Delete it. Let's say currency is USD. I'm mentioning any of the amount over here. Expected closing date, project type. Then comes the next project sites, unit interested in. Now here we have the fields such as available margin, type of payment, bank preferred and bank loan status. So these are some of the fields that are for the internal information. So available margin, let it be type of payment. Is it a self-financed or a bank loan? If it is a bank loan, which bank are you preferring? Then comes the bank loan status, still getting the documents, or the person is gathering documents for bank loan, or submitted bank loan documents. If we have any description, if we want to write anything, we can do that. Now I'll just click on save, and here I can see. In case I want to add any of the attachment, I can do that. Simply click on attachments, and here I can upload the files as well. Also, I have the option to write notes. If I want to write some notes as per the discussion, I can mention over here, so that if any other person from my team wants to view the opportunity, so they can see under the notes if there is something that I have mentioned, so that they can have a clear view.